Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Honor 200 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. And now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And now your Microsoft Edge is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.